Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Google recently introduced Gemini Omni at Google I/O 2026, and it may be one of the most significant advancements in AI powered content creation so far. What makes Gemini Omni different is its ability to transform multiple types of content into a finished video through a simple conversation. You can provide a photo, voice note, text prompt, or existing video clip, or combine all of them, and the system generates a complete video with synchronized audio, consistent characters, and realistic motion. Even more impressive, editing is handled through natural language. Instead of using timelines, layers, or traditional editing software, you simply tell the AI what changes you want, and it updates the video accordingly. Now, why this matters? Until now, creating a short marketing or social media video often required multiple tools and several hours of work. Typical workflow might involve writing a script in one platform, generating images in another, creating animation separately, recording or generating voiceovers, combining everything in a video editor, and adding captions and exporting the final file. For many businesses and creators, this process is time consuming and expensive. Gemini Omni aims to simplify that entire workflow by bringing all these steps into a single AI powered system. Google describes Gemini Omni as more than just a video generator. Traditional text to video models primarily convert prompts into moving visuals. Gemini Omni takes a broader approach. It is designed as a multimodal reasoning system capable of understanding and combining information from text, images, audio, and video before creating content. The AI doesn't simply generate random visuals. Instead, it attempts to understand context, relationships, movement, and continuity throughout a scene. This allows videos to feel more natural and physically consistent. According to Google, this represents a shift from predicting content to simulating aspects of reality, resulting in outputs that better reflect real world behavior, motion, and interactions. Now, one of Gemini Omni's most powerful features is its ability to accept virtually any combination of inputs. Users can start with a text description, an image, an audio recording, a video clip, or any combination of these elements. The system then uses that information to create a finished video. During Google's demonstrations, the platform generated animated educational content from simple prompts alone. Users were able to describe a concept and receive a polished video, complete with narration and visual storytelling. This flexibility opens the door to a wide range of use cases, from educational content and product demonstrations to social media marketing and storytelling. Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of Gemini Omni is its editing workflow. Instead of opening a traditional video editor, users simply talk to the AI. For example, they can say, move the camera closer, change the background to a beach, turn the scene into nighttime, keep the same character but change the movement, something like that. Each instruction builds upon previous edits. The system remembers context and maintains consistency across revisions, reducing the need to recreate scenes from scratch. This conversational approach makes the video production significantly more accessible to people with little or no editing experience. Now, talking about character consistency. A common challenge with AI generated video is maintaining character consistency across scenes. Gemini Omni addresses this by tracking visual details throughout the editing process. Characters can remain recognizable even as users modify environments, camera angles, or story elements. This continuity is especially valuable for businesses and creators who want recurring characters, brand mascots, or consistent visual identities across multiple videos. Another feature introduced during Google's presentation is digital avatar creation. Users can create an AI version of themselves through a verification process designed to confirm their identity. Once verified, the system can generate videos featuring their likeness and voice without requiring them to record every piece of content manually. This could be particularly useful for educators, business owners, influencers, marketers, and professionals who regularly create video content. Instead of repeatedly filming presentations or updates, they can use their verified avatar to produce content more efficiently or more easily. As AI generated video becomes more widespread, transparency becomes increasingly important. To address this, Google automatically embeds an invisible watermark called Synth ID into videos generated by Gemini Omni. This watermark allows AI created content to be identified and verified. Gemini Omni has potential applications across multiple industries. Businesses can use it to create promotional videos, product demonstrations, training materials, customer education content, etc. Educators can build visual explanations and instructional content. Marketers can quickly produce social media videos optimized for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Content creators can turn ideas, notes, and recordings into finished videos without needing a large production team. The biggest advantage is speed. Products that once required several hours of editing can potentially be completed in a fraction of time. So, Google has already begun rolling out Gemini Omni and has announced additional features currently in development. Future updates are expected to include longer video generation, advanced audio editing, expanded API access, and professional grade capabilities. As AI video technology continues to evolve, tools like Gemini Omni could significantly change how businesses, creators, and educators produce content. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Introducing Cinemation from Technic Force. Create full movies with the same characters from start to finish, not random AI clips. Produce 30-minute cinematic videos, episodes, and story driven content with consistent characters, locations, and scenes all powered by AI. If you can type, you can create a movie. Turn your computer into a cinematic product studio, create episodic series with the same characters that keep people coming back. Build series, shows, and story driven content. Turn your videos into traffic, followers, and real income. Create full length videos up to 30 plus minutes. Amazing. Characters stay consistent across scenes and videos and works in any niche YouTube, ads, social, education, you name it. You can create videos like space, mysteries and discoveries, marketing and advertising, fitness and health, multi niche content, you can create viral AI shorts for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And your characters stay true throughout your videos. Your scenes and locations stay consistent. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Cinemation now. Just go to getcinemation.in.